Welcome back to our podcast, 7 Minutes with Viseven. My name is Ola, and I'm coming to you with another episode of the series where we meet our colleagues who recently won Internal Customer Experience Awards. And today I'm here with Technical Support Lead, Roman Biloshytskyi. Roman, how are you?
Hi, Thank you. Thank you for such warm greetings. I'm good. I'm also always good, and um, I'm just like a bit nervous, and that's my first time I'm on podcast, and I'm expecting a good conversation with you.
Yes, same here, Roman. Don't be stressed, we are all here. So, yes, the same time, Roman, I wanted to, congratulate you with this, like winning the CX Awards for this outstanding customer support because I think it's really significant. So, you can be proud of yourself.
Thanks.
Yeah, Ron. So if you're ready, like we can start with the questions, like kind of going with the flow from the CX Awards, because I think like you've been prized for the, of course, like the entire of your work, but I think main three objectives. So it's like technical experience, the problem solving skills, and at the same time, with all of it, also the dedications to the customer, which is very important. So, based on your experience, like what are the key qualities that you think define the truly outstanding customer support? What do you think?
I think so. As for the key qualities, let's define top three, and one of them
Mm,
is like dedication, which you previously mentioned. This is a full involvement in the client's problem, and of course, full return. So, what is the dedication? It's like active and attentive listening. It's attention to the details and constant updates about the progress. In such atmosphere, the client will feel that his problem is on our priority. The second one, let's say, global thinking. Every problem and task must be considered and checked from all angles. What do we need to do so the client no longer encounters this problem? Do we have enough documentation? Do we need to add some kind of restriction or explanation at the platform level? Maybe we need to change the process or even approach to this client. In my opinion, so it's very important quality. It's very
mm.
important quality in our work, and it affects not only the quality of the support but also the quality of the whole product. The last one will be pretty simple. It's like stress resistance. Yeah, it's a simple one, but it's actually crucial for client satisfaction. Clients are different. Someone polite, someone very annoyed by the error they see. uh, no negative emotions, no arguments, especially with the client. That's it.
Oh yes, I think it's really crucial. It's also like funny how I'm listening to you and I'm thinking that the technical support, like also just it's basing a lot on their communication skills at the same time. It's like the problem solving needed, the customer dedication at the same time to be able to listen and to highlight like those key points that the customer needs to change and be open for all of this. So it's really interesting how we all need to acquire those communication skills. And you think I'm thinking that like in this all like problem solving, this technical like content related stuff, like you played a crucial role, and also by just educating customer at the same time. So when you mentioned this high stress levels, I think that you need to really handle it well, and at the same time balance efficiency and empathy with handling this customer concerns, and especially in this high pressure situations. So how do you feel about that?
Yeah, it's definitely intertwined with the qualities we talked. Generally,
Mm,
we try to put ourselves in the place of the client. So, how we would react, how we would like to learn. Um, and once my senior colleague, Ruslan, told me that everything is simple. If the client's mistakes somewhere, with calm and details, explain what exactly is wrong. If we are guilty, admit it and work better. And that's the credo I use.
yeah, it's really great. Like I think it's also great to have like such managers who can then also like be next to you and guide you through like those high pressure situations, stuff like this. mm, and like going to the last questions I have for you, Roman, I'm thinking that you know we also need to like keep growing because the technology and our possibilities keep growing. The same time with the expectations from the customers, they keep evolving all the time. This is what we do in our work. So based on your experience, how do you feel the future for the customer support will look like, and what strategies do you think the companies should adopt to just stay ahead in delivering this like exceptional service that we might not provide before?
Yeah, you're totally right that like customer expectations are evolving rapidly, and in my opinion, in the future, customer support will become more like personalized, and AI and automation will play like a key roles in delivering like such like quick responses. And however, this like human empathy and flexibility will still be the crucial for handling some complex issues. I think companies should focus on omni-channel support, enabling like customers to reach out via various platforms. They should find a balance between AI and human touch. So the key is to integrate technology without losing the personal connection.
Yeah, I think that of course AI is like helping us in daily like situations work. Like if we need something that involves research, like it's really interesting tool, and it's helping us to also get maybe more time for the customer. But it will never replace, right? Like as you said, the human emotions, the empathy that we can have. Like it will not serve the same. So I think the combination has to stay in this balance,
Yeah.
as we already have. But it's really important that you mention it. Yes, that's how we will be probably growing in the next like few years. So Roman, yes, like thank you so much for the conversation. Thank you so much for the time that you spent with us. Again, congratulations on your great work, and I hope that you will also like keep as well like evolving and growing with your skills and experience. And I wish you all the best. So yeah, Roman, from my side, it's all. Have a nice rest of the day, and for all of our listeners and viewers as well.
Thank you. Glad to be here.